will study about the characteristics of an entrepreneur. See, there are the many characteristics of an entrepreneur. Some are the born leaders, some with their time they have learned the various specifications, how to handle these leadership qualities. But a successful entrepreneur is the one that makes his employees or that start his business with an objective and has the will to complete that objective. So first is the enter ambition. A good preneur is have to make something of he himself. He wants what he wants. He will try everything to get to execute this and that thing. So the first is what he wants and what he sets a course to get it. What is his ambition and what he is doing to complete his ambition, his task. So he makes his daydream into a reality, and for this he needs to boost his enthusiasm. He has to focus, or he has to work on his work. He has to motivate himself that he can do, and he can be overwhelmed that whatever be the time consume or whatever will be the things, he will do that work definitely. Second is the enthusiasm. See, enthusiasm plays a very important role. If we are positive, if we are surrounded by positive people or vibes, then our mind, our soul will also become a positive. So enthusiasm is very necessary. Without enthusiasm, a project speed may be slow or it leads to inactivity and failure. But if we have an enthusiasm, if we have a spirit of doing things in the right way, in a positive way, we will definitely achieve that things no matter what will be the challenges or what will be the obstacles. Third one is the creativity. Is when a problem arise, we have to mm, we have to uh, turn that things, or we have to mold that things, that how could we solve that problem, that technique of solving that problem, or to overcome from that process, or to overcome from that obstacle, is depend upon how creativity is the entrepreneur, how he has the capability to make the things go on, to make the things right. Next is the decision making. Entrepreneurs can all the necessary shots, but it's his decision making that will decide that whether he will make up or make up down. His actions will denote, and his actions are highly influenced by his decisions. So that if the decision of the entrepreneur has a poor decision making skill, then it will lead to the inactivity and degradation, and whereas the good decision making skill will ensure all the possible measures in putting up the business in enforced way. Next is the perseverance. Perseverance is the most important thing that makes an entrepreneur strong, or to make him to withstand with the difficult times or the troubled times that come with starting a business. So perseverance is that it takes good idea for start for making money, but you have to for a new enterprise and to getting up the things from low to high, there are the obstacles and the challenges, and how will you make that things mold in a right way, and how you will stand with the troubles or a negative time situation is the perseverance. So these are the characteristics of an entrepreneur: ambition, enthusiasm, creativity, decision making, and perseverance. So this from this we will further we will go with the entrepreneur traits.